Hello and welcome to Southern Connecticut State University. My name is Eric LaCharity and I'm the Associate Director of Student Involvement and Leadership Development. Over the next couple minutes, our staff is going to tell you all about the programs, services, and activities that we sponsor for our students. Simply put, our goal is to connect students to different involvement opportunities, to host an array of events that create an engaging campus atmosphere, and to contribute to the personal and professional growth of our students. We oversee 4 main pillars of involvement, and now I'm going to pass it over to our staff so they can tell you all about them. Enjoy!
Hello, my name is Charlene Camerasana, and I'm an Assistant Director in the Office of Student Involvement and Leadership Development. We have over 125 clubs and organizations here at Southern. Our clubs include club sports, media organizations, academic societies, special interest groups, cultural organizations, service and political action groups. There are so many ways to get involved, and our office serves as a resource to welcome new clubs to our community.
Hi, my name is Chelsea Serrato, and I am the graduate intern over in the Office of Student Involvement and Leadership Development. Here at Southern, we host a vast array of programs and events. We have traditional events like Week of Welcome, Homecoming, and Spring Week. There is always something to do here at Southern. All of our events are free and open to all of our students and contributes to our active and vibrant community.
My name is Alondra Alexis, and I'm one of the graduate interns in the Office of Student Involvement and Leadership Development. Service is ingrained in our university. Many of our students participate in these service projects through their academic classrooms, clubs and organizations, and even the residence halls. As a university, we have many strong ties with nonprofit organizations around us, giving students plenty of opportunities to give back.
Hello, my name is Michael Lauer, and I'm one of the graduate interns in the Office of Student Involvement and Leadership Development. I work closely with our many clubs and organizations, and I also help students grow as campus leaders. Speaking of leaders, Southern's campus provides a variety of leadership opportunities. These opportunities will enhance your experiences at Southern and teach you transferable skills that you will take with you for a lifetime. We look forward to meeting you all.
As you can see, we have so much to offer here at Southern for our students. Hi, my name is Daphne Alston. I'm the Assistant Director for the Office of Student Involvement and Leadership Development. We have so many opportunities to fulfill your co-curricular experiences from our clubs and organizations, activities, service, and leadership. We invite you to join our OWL Connect page, owlconnect.southernct.edu, to see all of the different involvement opportunities, including our 125 clubs and organizations, campus services and programs, and academic departments. Also, we have a really lively social media presence. Follow us on Instagram at SCSU_OSI. We would love to have you part of our Southern community. Don't be a stranger. Go Owls!